Zahara is under fire. Songbird Zahara has lambasted haters who want to dictate to her how to live her life. This is after she posted her photo at an F rally over the weekend. Some of her followers were not impressed as they started criticizing her for associating with the Red Berets. Xolani Gwala wrote, "No problem, we will just withdraw our support. We hope she will get maximum support from Julius and his minions." Gabo commented, "My sister, please get out of politics, that's not your place. Pick up your guitar and rock the world. Please please." Zahara hit back, saying she will not be dictated to. She said that she has not benefited from the relief fund for artists and went on to blast the ANC government. In a Facebook post, she said, "Lol, being Zahara is hard shame. You're not supposed to do anything for yourself, but must always do what people want you to do. Where is the money for the relief fund? Who benefited? Artists were not working for the whole of 2020. What were we eating? Today, you have the liver to tell which gig I must not take or which one I should. As one, we all want to put bread on the table. Thank you, bye." In a follow-up post, she said she has bills to pay. "At the end of the day, no one will pay for house bond or put food on the table for me. I'm not asking for permission or begging anyone, as long as it's a paying job, then I'm in. COVID has starved me. Artists weren't working for the whole of 2020, and this year we work here and there. Where was the ruling party when we were hungry? They set up an artist relief fund, which benefited their own friends. If you were not their friends, you were not getting any. We're taking every gig this year. We want to put food on the table. Even if DA comes and says we want you, you'll see Zahara there. Time to please the ruling party is over," she said. Her fellow industry colleagues, including Betty Makinga, defended her and said she must go out there and work. Sifakazi also defended her and said, "It works to her. After all, she is not a politician, but a musician who can offer her services to the highest bidder. Let's separate issues, fantasy. She must go out there and work."